Namaste everyone, I am Ankushgaur. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to demonstration and explanation of vinyasa count of Setu Bandhasana in traditional Ashtanga Yoga method. Please consult your yoga teacher before practicing this posture. Starting with downward facing dog. Setu Bandhasana, Sapta, jump through. Right leg cross over the left. Keep your legs straight and lie down on your back. Palm facing downward. Ashtau, prepare, bend your knees, heels together, toes apart. Touch the crown of your head carefully. Use the elbow to lift the chest off the floor. Now cross your forearm at your chest. Nava, inhale, lift up while pressing your feet into the mat. Stay there for next 5 breathing. Make sure you are breathing in and out from the nostril, creating a deep breathing sound, and your gaze towards your tip of your nose. Keep your shoulders away from the ears. Inhale, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now slowly come down. Dasha, exhale. Ekadasha, roll back Chakrasana. Come to Chaturanga Dandasana, slowly and gently. Dwadasha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Trayodasha, exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana or downward facing dog. Now cross your leg, jump through and sit down on your mat. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials, like, subscribe to my channel. Namaste.